For Svarga Dvidasana, stand erect, feet apart, bend forward. Now bend your knees. Take your left hand back and right hand from underneath your right thigh and hold your right wrist with the help of your left palm. Lift your right thigh up and extend the leg from your knee. Point your toes. Slowly come back in the reverse order. Release your arms. Stretch your spine once again from the other side, right and back. Same process. Bird of Paradise. It's an advanced balancing posture which utilizes a lot of core, spinal and leg strength. It's much harder than it looks. And release. Again, stretch your spine and your legs. Slowly come up and relax.